Listen, it's making a little vibration noise. Why is it doing that? It's making a little vibration noise. Give her a bang. Stop making that noise, see? Probably make it worse if I do that. So, I don't know. It's making a little vibration noise for some reason. Great, that means my air conditioner's dying on me. I'm gonna have to buy another one. Hopefully not. Something vibrating. What's the cause? Stop vibrating. Stop. People downstairs banging so hard, maybe they damaged my air conditioner unit. Never mind. Vibration noise. Oh, it's still working, but it's making a little vibration noise for some reason, so I don't know.